guys, today I'm going to be doing my room tour. I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with this part of my room. So this is my door, obviously. I have a corn poster because I feel like this doesn't really match my room, but I love this corn album, so I really wanted this poster. And then I have my robe, and I have this slate mask here. I also have that safety pin above my door. I spray painted it black. And then right here I have this Courtney Love poster, and you know, Courtney Love is my queen, so really like that. Okay, now moving on. Here we have this Emily the Strange picture thingy that I actually made. These are all like little postcard thingies, and I just put them together. And then here I also like DIY'd this. I like made this thing and I painted this and my pillow thingies. Over here, this is like my favorite part of my room. So we have this, first right here we have this Chucky poster because Chucky's my favorite horror movie, so yeah. And then up here we have my Tiffany doll, and we have this Goth doll and a Living Dead doll, and I want to collect so many of those, but they're really expensive, so I only have 2 at the moment. And then we have Cold Chamber poster. I really like the graphics on this, so got that. And then we have my Polaroid up there, black Polaroid. On this side we have this backpack here that like I kind of DIY personalized. Yeah. Okay, so in here, up here I keep all of my like leather big chokers, and then my really big chunky necklace chains, and then I have some perfume. I have my Kat Von D one. I want the center one. This is the same one. And over here I also have a Kat Von D black lipstick. I just keep that there. And my iGirl clips and little devil clips, devil horn clips. And then this little thing, I keep all of my like rubber band thingies in here. This I got at Dollar Tree for Halloween. I think it was like around Halloween. And then this thing here, I actually got at a vintage shop. And I have this little black candle here. And moving on, so down here I have all of my books that I like recently got. We have Edgar Allan Poe, we have some Goth books, yeah, and then we have some movies and these scissors that I really like, even though they're like rusty and like kind of give me anxiety. But I really like them. And then I have this little kitty here, and then in here, so I just wanted to show what is in this box. I have a bunch of lip service catalogs in here. There's so many. I just thought it was so cool. And then I also have this old vintage, I think it's from 1991 Propaganda magazine. And if you're a goth, you know what the Propaganda magazine is. And I'm trying to find more of these because I really want some of these Propaganda magazines. And then I have some Unseen magazines, and then Gothic Beauty magazines, and this, and then a Rue Morgue magazine. But these I got off of Macari, and they came in a bundle for like $20, so I got a really good deal on all of these vintage and Gothic magazines. So that's what's in there. So we just have a variety of books in here. Okay, and then down here we have some shoes, these like platform sandals, and then my favorite pair of shoes. You guys, I talk about these all the freaking time, but they're literally a piece of art. And then we have this little thingy here. It's so cute. I don't even know what it's from, but I got it at Savers. And then down here I have my, this is where I keep all of my makeup. It's just really easy for me to do it this way. And I think this is a caboodle, and I got it from Walmart. It's like $20 or $30, but I just really like having all my makeup in there. Over here I keep my brushes in this little thingy here. I thrifted this cup, but I also have this little mirror. Now moving on to my bed. So my bed I actually got from Walmart. Fun fact, I actually built it myself. So yeah, and then this bedspread is just from Walmart, and then I have these really cool sheets underneath. So my sheets have like a bunch of little quotes and stuff. Like this one says "Rock this house." I don't have an attitude. I have a personality you can't handle. The best thing about you and me is me. This one says, girls do not dress for boys, they dress for themselves, and of course each other. If girls dress for boys, they'd just walk around naked at all times. This one is my favorite one. It says, I don't expect everything to be handed to me, just set it down wherever. Yeah, and it just has a bunch of funny little quotes and stuff. Betsy Johnson, and I think I got this from Ross. And then we just have my little Jack Skellington, and then the Emily the Strange doll. I just recently made this little coffin pillow thingy. And then up there we have my candles, and then we have a little star. Those pictures I just got off of Google, so don't come for me if you guys know the artist, and I would love to buy the actual thing, but I just got them off of Google. That little frame thing is from IKEA, and it's actually white, and I just spray painted it black. And that little doll there is another Living Dead doll. It's just a baby version. That was one of the series. I don't know which series that it was, but now moving over here. So I keep this stuff here. This is just stuff that I grab when I am running out the door. So it's like all of my journals and notebooks and whatever. And then I keep my phone charging there. And then in here, I keep all of my like pajama stuff. Now moving on over here. This is like an actual goth version of like my room. Yeah, I don't know, it's like more vintage. But anyways, I got that from Goodwill, and I spray painted it black. But I just keep my Bible here. I have this little fake plant in here. I got this little thingy thrifted. Most of the decorations I have, I got thrifted. This little angel is thrifted. This 8-ball is thrifted. And then you have candle, and then this little like perfume thingy. Okay, so that picture I actually got thrifted. I like freaked out when I found that. And then this frame is thrifted. Candles from like the dollar store, that's thrifted. That is from Walmart. And this little cup thingy that says arsenic, I actually made. Yeah. And this thing is from Walmart, and I spray painted that. And then I just have some other chokers up here. And then moving on into this IKEA Alex drawer, I think that's what it's called. So in the top drawers, I have most of my jewelry. These are just earrings. In here, I have some other like necklaces I don't really wear that often, and then some bracelets, my eye-girl pearls, and some tattoos, and these bracelets. And then in here I just have some random stuff, some more jewelry that I don't really wear. And then we have my sunglasses. And in here we have some perfumes. In here we have my hair stuff. In this drawer I keep all my wigs are in this box, and then I have all of my like beanies and hats. And in this drawer we have my extra brushes and makeup, and in this drawer I have all of my eyelashes and palettes. Moving on, so right here I keep all of my tripods and my ring light. This ring light has saved my life. And then this full-length mirror I actually got from IKEA, and the red carpet on the floor, just this little accent. Okay, so now moving on to my window. So over here we have this little like vintage door knocky thingy. I don't know what this is called. But I got that from Savers. That was like $8. I didn't mean to pay that much money for that, but whatever. That cross I got from Goodwill, and it was originally white, but I spray painted it black. And then we have my little shrine here. These things are vintage candle holders that I also spray painted black. This frame is from Walmart. These actual red candles are from Walmart. And this little thing here, this little coffin thing. I have my rings in it, but this coffin thing is from Target. Like during Halloween they had it in the dollar section. And then over here we have my little Ed Hardy coasters. I just like really love these. I think they're so cool. And then we have this little vintage teddy bear. It's so cute. It's like my favorite. And this lamp is vintage as well. I got it from Goodwill, spray painted it black. I just like having it open like that. And then up here we have this Memento Mori little thingy. It says remember to die. And this frame I got from Goodwill as well, and it was already like that, and I really like that. Okay, now moving on to my closet, which is my favorite part. Oh, and Cashy. So first we're gonna start off with the door. I just have all my belts here. And then I have this harness, some more belts, some more chains, some leg garter thing, more belts. Most of my belts I get thrifted. And we have a whole bunch of units and dolls go. Okay, now moving on to the actual closet. So here I keep most of my purses. I have this coffin purse. I have this purse is from Zoffel, I believe. I don't know. And I have this Almighty bag that I got. It says no women don't dress to please men, and it's Almighty. And then I have this Dolls Kill bag that I'm so obsessed with. I got it off Macari for like, I think I got it free actually. This little trunk bag, this little cage bag, and this bag. I'm not sure what brand this is, but it's from Dolls Kill. I also have this vintage 9 West bag that I thrifted one time that has a chain strap, and I just put some little buttons on it. It's really, really cute. Got from Depop, Dolls Kill. And then we have this little bag over here that has me on it. This is thrifted. It's just a mini backpack. Those wings are from Walmart. I got them when it was Halloween. And then we have this little cross that my sister gave me. That frame, the picture in there is just a Dolls Kill bag. And then we have like my little 90s hat. That's one of the first things I bought off Depop ever. And then the little angel thingy I got from Goodwill. Painted it white, put some little diamonds on it. That cowboy hat, I don't know, I just really like it because it's black. And then my beautiful collection of shoes. Okay, I'm not gonna talk about the shoes. You just see the shoes. Go watch my shoe collection video. Most of those shoes are in there. And then up there, I just have extra bags. We have my wig and a scream mask and a little angel. Okay, so the clothes, I have like some jackets back here, and then I have like most of my dresses here. And then it goes from color, so I don't have that much color, as you can tell, just black, white, and a few red pieces. So yeah, and then down here, I also have some more shoes. I have some sandals, my Mary Janes, and then over here I have all of my band tees and like t-shirts, graphic tees. And then I keep all of my like vintage baggier pants over here. In this basket here, I keep all of my sandals. In here, I keep all of my sneakers. In here, I have a bunch of like really big skirts. I like found a bunch of skirts recently and I really love these types of skirts. In that one I also have another big skirt, and then I have like my trip pants in there, and then I have my Vans right there, and then over here I keep some of my black skirts, and then like leather pants and just skirts that I don't want messed up, and then I also have some shorts right here. And then up here I have some little tag things, a little halo, and then these little cute purses that I just keep there, and a little Emily the Strange picture. And then yeah, we have this little cute wall of stuff, and this is where I keep all of my necklaces on this thing. And this thing I actually got thrifted. I really like it. I think it's actually for like ties or something, I don't know. And then right here I have some tuck shoes, and then this I really don't want to get rid of. It's not really my style, but like I don't know, I just think it's so cool. I like thrifted it one time. And then over here we have this little box, has all of my like socks to wear shoes on a regular day. And then in this drawer I have my bras, and then in here I have like a bunch of bralettes that I don't ever wear. And then in here I have some like shorts for underneath skirts and stuff. And then in here I have my corsets, and yeah, and then some extra like undershirts, and then these shirts are like sheer shirts that I wear under these other shirts. And then in here I have all of my like long socks and like nets and striped socks and all that. And then I just have a black carpet right here. And then moving on to this part, so I have this little picture, again got that from Google, but it has like all the history of corpse paint. I just thought it was really cool. And then over here I have my Wii, and then I need to put my Xbox over here, but I also have a soundbar behind my TV, and this little cup I have all of my like remotes and stuff, and some candles back there. But this thing is from IKEA, and in the top drawer I have some extra skirts and some printed pants and stuff like that. In this drawer I recently just redid. I have all of my swimsuits and stuff like that, and then these are all shorts. And in here I have extra pants. These are like jumpsuits, some extra pants that I like. Those are pants that I wear whenever I'm too lazy to make up an outfit. And in this drawer I have some extra like jean jackets, some hoodies, and my extra graphic tees, and some more printed pants. Those are for like winter stuff that I don't want to put up, but that is what is in there. And then I have my blanket in there, and that is it. So that is my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am nowhere near where I want my room to be. Like, I don't think it's ever going to be perfect, but this is what I have to deal with for now. But yeah, I really like it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.